Motorcycle drivers, I've got two key pieces of advice that you have to know. I'm sick and tired of helping people that are on motorcycles that get hit by people on cars and don't know anything about their insurance coverage and don't have proper insurance coverage. You need to get proper insurance on your motorcycle, because guess what? When you get in a crash with a car, you're never at fault. The motorcycle driver is almost never at fault when there's a crash of a motorcycle versus a car. It's extremely rare. The car is at fault, but you need your insurance to step in place and protect you. And there's two main things you need to realize. One, you need MedPay. In Utah, we require something called PIP or MedPay on our cars for every auto insurance policy. And what that's for is when we get in a crash, whether we're at fault or not, we get at least $3,000 available to us to pay for our initial medical bills after a crash, no matter what. Motorcycles, it's not required. That's the opposite of how it should be. Motorcycles those are the people that get hurt if a crash, in the event that a crash does happen. We should have higher PIP requirements on those. It's not even required. So if you call your agent and say, give me the cheapest coverage, they're gonna sell you a policy with zero PIP or MedPay on it at all. Call your agent, get MedPay. That coverage is for you. The second thing is UM and UIM coverage. This is imperative. You cannot get on a motorcycle in southern Utah and drive around without UM and UIM. Legally you can, but you should not. That coverage is for you. People turn in front of people on motorcycles. They fail to see you. They'll cut you off. Now you're stuck deciding, do I lay the bike down or smash right into it? Both are terrible. You get hurt either way, and it's not your fault. The UM and UIM coverage are to cover your stuff, not the cars. So the same people that will turn in front of you, they're the same type of people that will be silly enough to not have good insurance or to be driving around with no insurance. There's tons of people in St. George driving around with no insurance. They're the ones that are going to cut you off. So no money to pay out to you to cover your injuries when you were not at fault. That's what your UM coverage is for, uninsured motorist coverage. It steps in the place of the at-fault insurance in the event that you get hit by an at-fault uninsured driver. You can now make a claim on your own insurance and have the money available to pay for the time you miss at work, medical bills, whatever it is. UIM is very similar. It's for underinsured motorist coverage. It steps in when you get hit by somebody who, say, has state minimum $30,000 to cover all your medical. Maybe you have a hospital stay for a few nights. That's like 20 grand a night. You're going to blow past that immediately. You would have the ability to turn to your own coverage, UIM, and get taken care of properly. Please, 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 I don't sell insurance off watching this video here, and call your insurance agent and make sure you have MedPay, UM, and UIM as much as they'll sell you.